Hello friends, this is Hemant. Welcome to Tech Friend. In this video we are going to discuss about how to create Tensorflow environment. First I am going to Environments tab here and I am going to create a new environment. I am going to name it as Tensorflow and setting this version as 3.6. I am using Python in this. I am clicking on create. So it's going to take some time. Now we can see that Tensorflow environment got created. So now I am going to install Tensorflow package. I'm going to this list and selecting not installed. I'm going to type TensorFlow here. As you can see here, you can see TensorFlow package here. I'm clicking on this and apply. So now TensorFlow is getting downloaded. Now you can see here TensorFlow got installed. So now we are going to check whether it's working or not. Let's go to Home tab. I'm going to choose this environment as TensorFlow as we have created now. I'm going to work on Jupyter Notebook, so I'm going to install it. So each time you create an environment like this, you have to install each of these again. I'm going to launch this now. Now TensorFlow environment got opened. I have opened Jupyter in this. I'm going to create a new Python 3 file. Now let's check whether TensorFlow is working or not. I'm going to run this. Yeah, now you can see that it got executed. That means TensorFlow is working in our computer. So thank you.